Tired of scrolling through stream after stream, trying to figure out what's actually worth your evening? You're in the right place. Welcome back to The Screen Verdict, and today we'll be talking about stories that choose raw human grit over cheap gimmicks. So let's quickly get right into it. Now imagine being a young pilot handed a clock and told that you have just 10 minutes to prove you belong in that cockpit. 10 minutes to show you won't break under pressure or stay on the ground while your friends fly into battle. That intense moment sets the tone for Netflix's Operation Safed Sagar. It's an engaging retelling of the Indian Air Force's pivotal role in the 1999 Kargil War. Siddharth and Jimmy Shergill bring real heart as the veteran officers trying to turn a bunch of headstrong young recruits into battle-ready pilots. While those younger guys don't get much backstory, the show really hooks you into the political careers where Vinay Pathak and Manu Rishi Chadha give surprisingly layered human performances instead of playing cartoonish villains. Director Oni Sen puts human grit above senseless spectacle. Backed by solid, realistic CGI dogfights that refreshingly avoid over-the-top jingoism, the actors express intense emotion through little more than their eyes behind flight masks. Gripping, visually grounded, and deeply respectful, it stands as a fitting tribute to the real-life heroes who took to the skies. So this one gets 3 stars. Now welcome back to Makandu. If you loved Gabriel Garcia Marquez's legendary novel 100 Years of Solitude, Season 2 of the Netflix series feels like stepping back right into the pages of the book. As the series enters its second season, we step back into the fascinating world of Macondo and the Buendia family. The revolution has finally ended, leaving Colonel Aureliano Buendia a deeply changed, lonely man. Pushed out of the public life, he feels like a ghost in his own home, which is now managed by his fierce mother Ursula and the strict new addition Fernanda. Trapped in sadness and torment, the colonel finds himself completely out of place in this changing world. Through this painful solitude, the story highlights a timeless truth that no matter how much leaders or governments change, the oppression of everyday people stays the same. As Ursula wisely puts it, the Buendia family is simply going around in circles. It's a powerful, heartbreaking look at power, loss, and the heavy burden of history repeating itself. So, we'll give it 4 stars. Now imagine an inventor so far ahead of his time that people literally thought he was out of his mind, only for him to completely transform the country's industrial scene. That's the story behind GDN, a film about Gopalswamy Duraiswamy Naidu, a real-life genius we somehow managed to forget. R. Madhavan is magnetic here, slipping right into Naidu's skin with all his weird quirks, sharp humor, and stubborn refusal to back down. The heart of the movie sits in his fiery clash with the relentless tax officer played by Jairam, making a story about bureaucracy feel alive, personal, and deeply tense. Paired with warm, stunning visuals and a fantastic supporting cast, GDN isn't some dry history lesson. It's an inspiring, genuinely moving tribute to a dreamer who fought tooth and nail for his ideas. And this one gets 3 stars. So that's my take for this week. We'll catch you right back here next week, same spot, same day. You can also read our full stories on tribuneindia.com. Till then, take care.